This is going to blow your mind. The pyramids of Egypt. These ancient marvels have stood the test of time, towering over the desert sands for millennia. They are not just architectural feats. They are symbols of a civilization that reached extraordinary heights. They stand as testaments to a glorious past, a civilization that mastered the impossible. The sheer size and scale of these structures are awe-inspiring, leaving us to wonder about the people who built them, a civilization that mastered the impossible. The ancient Egyptians were not only skilled laborers, but also brilliant engineers and architects. They had a profound understanding of mathematics and astronomy, which they used to align the pyramids with celestial bodies. These colossal structures, silent sentinels across the sands of time, continue to captivate our imagination. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are monuments to human ingenuity and perseverance. How did they do it? How did they manage to transport massive stone blocks across vast distances? How did they achieve such precision in construction without the tools and technology we have today? How did a civilization without modern technology erect such monumental structures? These questions have puzzled experts for centuries. Various theories have been proposed, from the use of ramps to the possibility of extraterrestrial assistance. These questions have haunted historians, archaeologists, and dreamers alike. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding, yet the full story remains elusive. The pyramids are like a giant puzzle, with each piece revealing a bit more about the ancient world. The sheer scale of the pyramids, the precision of their construction, all hint at a masterful understanding of engineering and a mastery of resources. The ancient Egyptians were resourceful, using simple tools and sheer manpower to achieve what seems impossible. In this exploration, we will journey back in time, to the era of the pharaohs, to unravel the secrets of the pyramids. We will delve into the lives of the people who built them, the techniques they used, and the reasons behind these monumental projects. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of one of the greatest achievements in human history. To understand the pyramids, we must first understand the world that built them. The Old Kingdom of Egypt, a time of powerful pharaohs, marked a golden age of pyramid construction. These god kings ruled with absolute authority, commanding the resources and manpower of a vast kingdom. The pyramids were not mere tombs. They were expressions of power, statements of divine right. They were also complex religious structures, intricately linked to the Egyptian belief in the afterlife. Their construction was a national endeavor, a testament to the pharaoh's power and the piety of his people. The most baffling aspect of pyramid construction is undoubtedly the transportation of the massive stone blocks. Imagine for a moment quarrying stones weighing several tons each, then moving them hundreds of miles across unforgiving terrain. The ancient Egyptians, however, were masters of logistics. They utilized the Nile River extensively, transporting stones from distant quarries during the annual floods. But how did they move these behemoths on land? One prevailing theory suggests the use of massive ramps. These earthen ramps, built around the pyramid's base, would have allowed workers to drag the stones upwards using ropes, sledges, and sheer manpower. As the pyramid grew taller, so did the ramp, spiraling upwards until the pyramid's apex was reached. While labor-intensive, this method is supported by archaeological evidence and remains a plausible explanation for the transport of the pyramid's massive stones. Section 5. Ingenious tools, levers, and rollers. While ramps played a crucial role, the Egyptians were not solely reliant on brute force. They employed ingenious tools and techniques to aid in construction. Levers, for instance, were used to maneuver and position the heavy stones with greater precision. Another theory suggests the use of rollers. Placing logs or cylindrical stones beneath the blocks would have significantly reduced friction, making it easier to drag them. Evidence of rollers has been found at some pyramid sites, lending credence to this theory. Section 6. A nation's backbone, the workforce behind the pyramids. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Evidence suggests that the construction involved a massive, organized workforce of skilled laborers, artisans, and craftsmen. These workers were drawn from all over Egypt, and they were well compensated for their labor. They lived in purpose-built villages near the construction sites, evidence of which has been unearthed by archaeologists. The construction of the pyramids was a national endeavor, a source of pride and employment for generations of Egyptians. Section 7. Masters of Stone Architectural Ingenuity. The pyramids are not just piles of stone, they are masterpieces of engineering and architectural design. These ancient structures have stood the test of time, showcasing the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. Each pyramid was meticulously planned and executed, reflecting a deep understanding of both the natural world and the cosmos. The precision with which the stones are cut and fitted together is nothing short of astonishing. Each block, some weighing several tons, was shaped with such accuracy that even a blade of grass cannot fit between them. This level of craftsmanship speaks volumes about the tools and techniques employed by the builders. The alignment with the cardinal points is another marvel. The pyramids are oriented with such precision that they align almost perfectly with the north, south, east, and west directions. This alignment was not accidental, but a result of careful planning and a profound understanding of astronomy. All these elements speak to a deep understanding of geometry and astronomy. The ancient Egyptians used their knowledge of the stars and the earth to create structures that were not only functional, but also symbolically significant. The geometric designs on the pyramids reflect their advanced mathematical skills. The internal chambers and passageways within the pyramids were designed with equal care. These spaces were not just random tunnels, but carefully planned areas that served specific purposes. The layout of these chambers reflects the Egyptians' architectural prowess and their understanding of spatial design. Often decorated with intricate carvings and hieroglyphics, these chambers served specific religious purposes. The walls tell stories of gods, pharaohs, and the afterlife, providing insights into the beliefs and practices of ancient Egyptian society. Each carving was meticulously crafted to convey important messages and rituals. These chambers were designed to guide the pharaoh's soul in the afterlife. The journey of the soul was a central theme in Egyptian religion, and the pyramids were constructed to ensure the safe passage of the pharaoh's spirit to the afterlife. The design and decoration of these spaces reflect the importance of this journey. The construction of the pyramids required not just brawn, but also a great deal of intelligence and planning. Thousands of workers, including skilled laborers and craftsmen, worked tirelessly to bring these monumental structures to life. Their efforts were coordinated by brilliant architects and engineers who oversaw every aspect of the construction process. The minds of brilliant architects and engineers were the true driving force behind the pyramids. They devised innovative techniques and solutions to overcome the challenges of building such massive structures. Their legacy lives on in the pyramids, which continue to inspire awe and admiration to this day. Section 8. Enduring Mystery, Unanswered Questions. Despite decades of research and archaeological discoveries, some aspects of pyramid construction remain shrouded in mystery. The exact methods used to achieve such precision in stone cutting and fitting, the logistics of transporting and placing the capstone, and the true purpose of some internal chambers continue to puzzle experts. These unanswered questions fuel our fascination with the pyramids, reminding us that even the most advanced civilizations leave behind secrets waiting to be unlocked. Section 9. Conclusion: The Pyramids' Legacy. The pyramids of Egypt are much more than just ancient tombs. They are architectural marvels that have stood the test of time, weathering millennia of natural and human forces. These colossal structures were built with precision and care, reflecting the advanced knowledge and skills of the ancient Egyptians. Each stone, meticulously placed, tells a story of dedication and craftsmanship. They are enduring symbols of human ingenuity, ambition, and the power of collective effort. The construction of the pyramids required the collaboration of thousands of workers, from laborers to architects, all working towards a common goal. This monumental task showcases the organizational prowess and the societal structure of ancient Egypt. They stand as a testament to a civilization that dared to dream big, to push the boundaries of what was possible. The pyramids were not just burial sites. They were symbols of power, religious beliefs, and the afterlife. They represented the pharaoh's divine status and their journey to the afterlife, ensuring their legacy would endure for eternity. To reach for the heavens and leave an indelible mark on history, the sheer scale and grandeur of the pyramids continue to captivate and inspire people from all over the world. They remind us of the incredible achievements of our ancestors and the lengths they went to in order to honor their leaders and deities. As we continue to study and learn from these magnificent structures, we uncover more about the lives, beliefs, and practices of the ancient Egyptians. Each discovery adds a new layer to our understanding, revealing the complexity and richness of their civilization. The pyramids are like time capsules, preserving the knowledge and culture of a bygone era. We are reminded of the enduring power of the past to inspire and challenge us. The hieroglyphics etched into the walls of the pyramids offer insights into the language, religion, and daily life of ancient Egypt. They serve as a bridge connecting us to a distant past, allowing us to glimpse into the minds and hearts of those who lived thousands of years ago. The pyramids, in their silent grandeur, continue to beckon us, inviting us to explore their mysteries and marvel at their construction. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of a civilization that has long since vanished. Yet, their presence continues to resonate, drawing us in with their timeless allure, inviting us to unravel their secrets and marvel at the achievements of our ancestors. The pyramids are more than just monuments. They are a testament to human creativity, resilience, and the enduring quest for knowledge. As we stand in their shadow, we are reminded of our own potential to create, innovate, and leave a lasting legacy for future generations.